There are a few people who have really changed my perception about the reality of life, money, financial freedom, and success. Brian Tracy was one of them. Below is a list of 17 fundamental rules that stand between you and success. 1. The law of cause and effect. Everything happens for a reason. There is a cause for every effect. 2. The law of belief. Whatever you truly believe with feeling becomes your reality. 3. The law of expectations. Whatever you expect with confidence becomes your own self-fulfilling prophecy. 4. The law of attraction. You are a living magnet. You invariably attract into your life the people, situations, and circumstances that are in harmony with your dominant thoughts. 5. The law of correspondence. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world and corresponds with your dominant patterns of thinking. 6. The law of abundance. We live in an abundant universe in which there is sufficient money for all who really want it and are willing to obey the laws governing its acquisition. 7. The law of exchange. Money is the medium through which people exchange their labor in the production of goods and services for the goods and services of others. 8. The law of capital. Your most valuable asset in terms of cash flow is your physical and mental capital, your earning ability. 9. The law of time perspective. The most successful people in any society are those who take the longest time period into consideration when making their day-to-day decisions. 10. The law of saving. Financial freedom comes to the person who saves 10% or more of his income throughout his lifetime. 11. The law of conservation. It's not how much you make, but how much you keep that determines your financial state. 12. Parkinson's law. Expenses rise to meet income. 13. The law of 3. There are 3 legs to the stool of financial freedom: savings, insurance, and investment. 14. The law of investing. Investigate before you invest. 15. The law of accumulation. Every great financial achievement is an accumulation of hundreds of small efforts and sacrifices that no one ever sees or appreciates. 16. The law of magnetism. The more money you save and accumulate, the more money you attract into your life. And 17. The law of accelerating acceleration. The faster you move toward financial freedom, the faster it moves towards you. Brian Tracy has written a book titled $1 Million Habits: Proven Power Practices to Double and Triple Your Income. If you want to become rich and successful, this book is a must-read. 95% of what people think, feel, and act upon is determined by their own daily habits. Habits are built in but can also be changed. You must know that new positive habits can be taught and learned to get rid of the old, counterproductive habits, with optimal behaviors that can cause dramatic, immediate benefits to your earning potential. In the book $1 Million Habits, Tracy teaches his readers how to develop the habits of highly successful men and women so they can too think more effectively, make better business decisions, have better financial ideas, and ultimately double or triple their financial income. When you finish reading, you will learn how to organize your finances, increase health and motivation, manage and sustain better relationships, become financially independent, and become a leader in your profession or personal business. Thanks for watching the video, and for more information, check out drivenanddesired.com. Your friend, Alex.
Drop the bass, Kitty.
And if you want to protect your online privacy and help my channel out at the same time, visit drivenanddesired.com/NordVPN. If you sign up through that link, I will earn a small commission to keep this channel as well as my other projects like drivenanddesired.com going. Take us out, kitty.
I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think? bag.